Hey guys, welcome to the Darling Toy House. Before we get started on our video today, please click the subscribe button and then you won't miss out on any more of our videos. Today we're going to learn about a variety of animals and the sounds they make. Giraffe. Kangaroo. Gorilla. Cow. Camel. Snake. Rhino. Cheetah. Elephant. Tortoise. Llama. Vulture. Ostrich. A puppy. Quokka. Rabbit. Flamingo. Turtle. Panda. Koala. Brown bear. Okapi. Thanks for watching guys. If there's any suggestions about what you'd like to see us do a video on, please send us a comment. And don't forget to subscribe!